used the sprinkler to try to soften the ground before I start moving the chicken tractor in the tunnel and everything today. I took it down last night, used a flashlight and worked on that. So now everything is sopping wet and it is time to get to work. Alright, so I got this done. I gave them a small section behind the tractor, and then I gave them kind of a wide section here. And there's that part in the back here. It's not much, just a little bit. Gives them a little bit more room than what I originally had for them. And I can get working on the fence here. I got this part I need to finish off. And then there's some over here too. I think somebody would like to come out. You ready, Bertha? Alright, girls. Take this door out of the way. There you go. You're not paying attention, honeys. Go outside. Go on. Door's open. There you go. There we go. They wanted to smell the cage door, I guess. Alright, here we go. You should be able to see that you got more over here. Come on. There you go. Good job, Suki. And Danuli. Hello, girls. Looks like they're enjoying it, as usual. I put their pumpkin back in there. Looks like they flipped him over. Well, hello, honey. Well, hello.